Manipur University da affiliate tawriba Churachandpur College ase kumja lising ani kunmari kunmanga gi academic year dagi hauduna kumja lising ani kunipan kunmapan fawba chahi manga University Grants Commission na autonomous status pire haina Manipur University ki registrar Professor W Chandababu gi cherolamana khangalakle Hiramasiga mari lainana Manipur University ki registrar Professor W Chandababu na thadurakpa cherolamana hai University Grants Commission na chahi asigi January 18 da thokpa letter number F2/10/2023 AC policy ki batung inna Manipur University da affiliate tawriba Churachandpur College ase UGC conferment of autonomous status upon colleges and measures for maintenance of standards in autonomous colleges Regulation 2023 gi clause 7.4 gi makhada kumja lising ani kunmari kunmanga gi academic year dagi hauduna kumja lising ani kunipan kunmapan fawba chahi manga autonomous status pire haina charola sina makhatari